Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Stella Cole. So today we're heading to Wahiba Sands. So this is the road trip. Enjoy the video. Thank you. Welcome back to my channel, guys. We're here at Wahiba Sands in Oman. So we're on the way now to Wahiba Sands. So this is the view from the car. So you can see the desert. It's just near. And then me and my friends are just having fun here in the car.
Just made a video. Just made a video.
Okay lang. It's okay.
Friends, this friends.
Naintindihan mo ba yun?
Yes.
Ano daw?
We will come back in 1 week. We said, Sasuke, we come back in 1 week.
Okay.
La. France. Balas. Here, Muscat only.
Okay, Muscat.
Inshallah. Then, Baden.
Yan, lalagay na. Oh, very good. Very good. Not with our face. On the road. Okay, you can start na.
The road.
Share it to me, ha? Send it to me. Oh my gosh. Nang-hold na ko doon. Salig kanya kumawa.
I'm sorry guys, but I'm the noisiest one here in the car. Because it's like it's killing my heartbeat, you know, it's so scary. Welcome to Wahiba Sands.
Yan! Dandahan lang!
dito. Ayan. Ayoko. Yan. Dali. Ayan, dali. Yan, dali.
Dali, drive.
Ayoko mag-drive.
Ha?
Ayoko kasi, ano, masunog ko.
Bakit masunog ka? Dali, sakay ka sa akin. Saan tayo punta?
Dali, mag-drive ka nga. Ayan o, dyan. 30 minutes lang naman eh.
Tawagin mo nga! Suspect! Nakaabot sa Wahiba Sands. Dali. Ayan.
Yeah. Yan, sige lang. Yan, okay. One more. Ikaw na lang.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So ngayon guys, suspect. Andito ako sa buhanginan sa desierto. May nakita ako. May isang photographer, tapos isang model from City of Love. Oh, tingnan mo yung photographer. Tapos yung model namin, walang init-init diyan. Pak na pak. Tapos may isa dito takot na takot sa init. O balot na balot. Asan yung pambalot mo? Yan, balot. O yan. Suspect. Suspect. Nahulog yan kanina. Tapos na po kami mag-Victorial. So ito na po. Pababa na po kami ng bundok. Nabundok na. Thank you for watching. Bye!